as mentioned in the study of Kotlin on how important queuing system in the transaction processing system to avoid troubles about in the arrivals of patients. It begins upon registering of the patient in the registration system. After registering, the system will generate the first-come first-served basis where the patient will going to have a queue number according to the time of their arrival. Through this system, the patients will no longer have to worry regarding their queue. All they have to do is just to relax, and relax. On the other hand, those systems need backups for security purposes. A variety of computerized processing systems was developed, but those inventions may no longer work for a long period of time without any storage where the data being kept to avoid from data loss. Database management system is used by different business institutions today. But how important databases are business? Any computerized business may no longer work without their database. Like for example the point of sale. In order for the company to record the sale or stocks of the company, they must have databases. Google has database. And even Facebook has its database. How much more for the big companies? How possible for big companies to work with their computerized system without databases? Like for example the Intel company, which its operations handle huge amount of data. IBM company. An Oracle company. How could be their process if they were just using flash drives and CD as their storage? How secure their data without database? How could be their process if their machine being corrupt due to unexpected calamity? What could be their backup? Or worst, the data is totally corrupted. What is database? According to Vilmar, database management system refers to collections of information that exist over a period of time. It is in storage where you can store data like name, address, contact number or any information. Through DBMS, there will be more efficient of accessing the files through queries and modification. It was created to avoid data from loose.it, also eliminate data redundancy, and for updating, searching and retrieving purposes. According to Connolly, aside from eliminating data redundancy, it also used to reduce inconsistencies and also provide authorization for accessing the file by restricting the user access through password and username. It also include backup and restore process. But before you can access databases, you need to have a mediator or query language that will allow you to manipulate data in the database. One of those query languages is MySQL. According to Christensen, MySQL is used for adding, removing, editing and modifying information in the database. LAN-based but a server and client involved. Sharing of data from terminal to another terminal is one of the most significant enhancements in computer networking. It is a step up from more convenient in sharing of information, and it shows how easy to send and receive data from one computer to another. And one of the advantages of information system is through the use of LAN-based in the information system. According to Velaga, is a network allowing easy access to the computers or peripherals. It is the interconnection of computers that link together for different purposes. It will allow for the dentist to view patients' information at kiosk registration system through the server. As most companies rely to the advanced technology, and other features of this development is diverting from a manual handwriting signature into an electronic signature in order to protect the agreement for both parties. And according to Ferranti, electronic signature is the equivalent handwritten signature of a person in a computer. Use in approving an agreement in a computerized system, like for example the dental clinic. As part of dental process they have terms and conditions between the dentist and the patient. This system allow the legality of agreement regarding with the terms and conditions that they agreed with.
Created using Powtoon.